Hello, welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video we'll see how we can control our smart TV with your phone. This is my Realme phone and this is on Thomson TV, which is a Google TV Android smart TV. And see here, this is the remote, and when I make the operations, the TV responds. See here, I'll just click on open YouTube. See, so you can also control your TV with your smartphone. So there are two requirements. First thing, your mobile and the TV should be connected to the Wi-Fi. So this is my home Wi-Fi, and through this Wi-Fi, this particular mobile phone and this TV got connected. That is the first requirement. And the second requirement is you need to have an app called Google TV app. See here, this is the Google TV app. So if you don't have this Google TV app, if you don't have this Google TV app, you can go to Play Store and you can download this. Once you download this Google TV app, here your TV name will be visible. See here, your TV name will be visible. You need to click on connect. Once you click on connect, there will be a code on the TV. Your TV, the code will be displayed, and here you need to pair, just like pairing the Bluetooth devices. You need to pair, and you will get this remote symbol. See here, remote symbol. So I'll say something like, I can even use Google Assistant. Switch off the TV. See. So the TV gets turned on when switch on the TV. See, the TV gets turned on, and even you can play YouTube video. See, it takes my commands through voice commands, and through remote I can control. So you can also do the same with your smartphone. If you like this video, please do hit a like, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.